Walter's sitting here holding the pole, just resting and taking it easy and waiting for a fish. James and I have had a pretty good time today. This weather's been perfect. Yeah. Had the bumping on something a while ago, like it was dragging on the bottom.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, get him. Tighten it up.
Reel, James, reel. Make sure you got him hooked.
Just reel. You don't have to keep doing it. Just reel. Just reel. Maybe you have to find a zone, man. See how cold that fish is.
Hey, Warren.
Yeah, man.
Come grab this shrimp out of the hole and put him back on the hook. He's still plenty lively.
Alright,
I've been fishing on credit. I've been
Have
fishing on credit for a while.
you?
Yeah, but he's still alive, the one you threw away a while ago. He's been fighting and anxious to get back in the water.
Alright, I'm going to hook him on there right now. Your son just caught a trout, so... Alright, it's up to you.
No wonder I wasn't catching nothing. He done got gone.
That happens sometimes. All you having fun, that's all that matters. All you gotta do is once you set the hook on, just reel it. These things are, have you seen how slimy these things are? They are so slimy you can't like them. I don't know how to fish. Alright, that's good. Go ahead and reel them up. Fish on! Fish on!
Reel, James. Is he on?
He missed him.
It happens, I guess. I don't know what it is with me and my credit bad real.
Look at you. You're just feeding them, ain't you?
My credit's done got in bad shape.
Your credit get pretty bad here. How much time we got left to fish here anyway? Well, we got a little bit of time still left. We're still doing good. I'm gonna put a minnow on there this time.
Yeah, I figured I better reel it in and check it, and I didn't have no shrimp. He was gone.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a minnow on there because for some reason.
That's a good spot.
You know it. Just on down there a little bit. It's deep. Gotta get down there. Alright now.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, bring that in.
Sirree Bob, my friends, old men sit in the back of the boat and rest. We had a definite good time today. That was the purpose of my trip, and I think we accomplished that quite well.
Yep, you're down. Come on, reel. Come on, catch up.